In this video, let's look at 3 things that you should probably do every time you start a new project in Camtasia. Hello friend, my name is Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. When I start a new project in Camtasia, I want to make sure that I'm starting things off on the right foot. One of the first things you should do is go up to the canvas options at the top and choose Project Settings. Here, choose the exact resolution you want to use for your video project. In this case, I'll use 1920 by 1080 and I'll click Apply. So number 1, make sure you set the right project dimensions. So I'll do a File, Save As, and then I'll create a new project folder. I'll navigate to the folder I want, I'll right-click inside, I'll say I want a new folder, and I'll give that new folder a name and press Enter. Then I'll go into that folder and I'll save this project and I'll end with V1 and press Enter. So again, the first thing we'll do is assign the right dimensions for our project. The second thing we'll do is we'll create a project folder. And the third thing we'll do is our initial save as to have a V1 of our project. Now, of course, there are many other things you could do to start your project. So let me know, what are some things that you do whenever you begin your projects? Leave a note in the comments below so we can all learn.